Hello, welcome. Okay, so let's go straight to the second question that we have for for us today. We have been able to attempt one question, so let's try another one on word problems. The same number is added to both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 1 over 2. If the fraction then becomes 2 over 3, find the number added. Okay, now I think this question is direct. It's a direct question. We don't have words that are we don't have words that can actually make someone to tremble or words that can make someone to feel to have headache. All right. Okay, so it's just a direct one. So now a particular unknown number was added to the numerator and the denominator of um, this fraction 1 over 2. And then the answer that was gotten by the end of the day, that's the other side of the equation, was 2 over 3. Okay, so just go ahead and say, let this number be x. So it means you're going to be having 1 plus x over 2 plus x because it's 1 over 2 plus the same number. So the number is, you're going to be using the number to add both the numerator and the denominator. So 1 is numerator in this case because the numerator is the number that's on top of the denominator in a fraction, all right? So 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator for this fraction 1 over 2. So we have x, which is the unknown now, the unknown that you're looking for, that you're going to add for both sides, all right? So 1 plus x over 2 plus x. Now, the other side of the equation, you have equal to 2 over 3. Now, at this point, you can break this down perfectly. It's a direct question, a very, very simple question like that. So you have 1 plus x over 2 plus x is equal to 2 all over 3. At this point, what you're supposed to do is to cross multiply. Another way you can do this is to find the LCM, all right, and then multiply both sides by the LCM. But let's just use this simple formula in this particular case, all right? I'll expatiate more on that in our subsequent class, all right? Showing you different methods because actually in mathematics, there are many ways you can actually solve questions, all right? So for this particular one, let's just cross multiply. Now to cross multiply, already you have x plus 1 over 2 plus, sorry, sorry, I'm so sorry. We already have 1 plus x over 2 plus x is equal to 2 over 3. So if you cross multiply, the 2 plus x, which is the denominator, is going to multiply the 2, all right, which is the numerator of the other fraction at the right hand side. That's what cross multiplication means, all right? The denominator of this part of the what um, of equation that's on the left hand side will multiply the numerator, all right, of the other side of the equation, that's the right hand side, while the denominator of the right hand side is going to what multiply the numerator of what left hand side, which in this case is what 1 plus x. So 1 plus x is going to multiply 3, while 2 plus x is going to multiply 2. Now, if 1 plus x, of course, is going to be in bracket, and you have a 3. If you multiply 3 by 1, you are going to get 3. If you multiply 3 by x, you're going to get your 3x. So at the left-hand side, now we can now have what? Our 3 plus our 3x. But on our right-hand side, we have our 2 multiplying our 2 plus x. 2 multiplying 2 is going to give you what? 4. And 2 times your x is going to give you what? Your 2x. So now we have to collect like terms, all right? Like we go for like. Now at the left hand side there is something that is related to 2x. 3x is related to 2x because of that x. So our 2x will now go to our left hand side, while our 3 from the left is going to go to our right hand side. Take note of that, all right? So 2x now will travel from the right hand side to our left hand side, and then we have um, our 3 traveling from the left hand side to the right hand side. Please, if you have any question concerning anything I'm saying, you can ask. I will try as possible to make sure that we answer your questions. So now we have our 3, all right? So the 3x minus 2x at the left hand side will give you what? Your x. 3x minus 2x is x. In mathematics, we don't have 1x. You don't say 1x. It is like a crime. It is like sin. You don't say 1x. X. All right? Okay. So there is no such thing as 1x. We know that it's x, we know that it's 1, but then it's not showing, all right? So just put your x there. So 3x minus 2x is x, while on the other side of the equation you have 4 minus 3. Now 4 minus 3 is going to give you 1 there. It means that your final answer, which is your x, is 1. Simple! Is that simple? Thank you so much for your time.